When you're trying to get the most out of your machines, it's always good to have options. And with CAT GET, you have lots of them. Hi, I'm Eric Matthewson. I'm a Senior Parts and Service Marketing Consultant with Caterpillar, and I'm here today to talk to you about ground engaging tools, or GET. One of the most important parts of any machine are its GET and work tools. They directly affect the machine's ability to produce. That's why it's important to select the proper work tools. They not only affect your productivity, but also your maintenance cost, the longevity of your equipment, and even your fuel consumption by up to 15% or more. CAT GET and work tools are designed to work together as a system to optimize the performance of your machine, and your CAT dealer can help you make the right choices. They have a broad range of products available for all your CAT machines in any application. To make sure you're selecting the right GET and work tools for your machines, there are 3 factors to consider. Strength, the ability to withstand digging and penetrating shocks and the high breakout forces. Penetration, the ability to penetrate tough material when it's rocky, frozen, or tightly compacted. And wear life, the ability to withstand the wearing, scouring, and abrasive action of the material being handled. Once you've taken these 3 factors into consideration, you can begin looking for the GET options that best meet your needs. As machines grow larger, their jobs become tougher, and CAT GET has to be tougher as well. CAT GET provides maximum wear life and superior breakage resistance because of our steel alloy that can endure 2 times the heat and pressure of traditional steel. Along with cutting edge and end bit options, your CAT dealer can help you review the range of tip options available, as well as the various selection criteria and applications they are ideally suited for. When it comes to protecting your work tools, CAT offers complete wear solutions including customized options through our made-to-order process. No one knows more about CAT GET and work tools than your CAT dealer, so contact them to discuss your range of options that can be tailored to meet your needs.